Hi Missouri, this video is for your tic-tac-toe method, L shape, for the pick 3. If you are new to the tic-tac-toe method, I would recommend watching a couple of those videos before watching this one. I do have a bit of a twist with it, so that's why. And then if you're not aware, what I do in this type of video is I go back about a month, and then what I try to do is to try to see if we can see patterns or numbers from the past 3 numbers for the days we're looking at, and it'll make more sense as we go along. Alright, and then in this type of video, the type of math I'll be using is lotto math. Alright, so for your state, the day of the week it seems to like with it is Wednesday. I thought I saw Monday also working a bit, but I will not be covering the Monday examples in this video. Alright, so on March 22nd, 2023, the number that fell was 534. The past 3 from that was 425, 121, 706. And then what you do here is you're going to add everything up. So if you start with the right column, 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. You're going to add the 6, 16, keep the 6. Middle column, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, keep the 7. And then 5 on that left column, the 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17. Keep the 7. And then I'll show you in a bit on how to set up the box, okay? So from this method, the day side numbers were 682, 983 that hit in the next 7 days. On nights, it was 688 and 829. All right, and then to set up the box for the tic-tac-toe L shape, after you get the sum, which was the 776, you're going to write out the 776 from right to left. So they're circled so you can see that better. So 776 there. You're going to mirror the 722. All right, place the 2 in the middle. Add 1 to the 2, that gives 3. And you place it to the left of 2. So there you go. The 3's on the left side of the 2. All right, and then add 1 to the rightmost 7, which is 8. You're going to place the 8 to the left of the 7 and above, then add 1 to the 8, which equals 9, which I'll show that in 1 second. All right, so see how, okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8, and then you have those 8s above the 7 and to the left of the 7. And then to the 8 above the 9, or above the 8, I'm going to add 1 to the 8. That's above the 7. So that's going to give, so 7 plus 1 is 8, and then plus 1 is 9. And then to the left of that 9, you're going to add 1 to the 9, which equals 10, and then place 0 to the left of 9, because we're keeping just the 0 and the 10. So the 10, or the 0, rather, is to the left of the 9 there. So if I went too fast, just make sure you do pause the video and just write the steps out until it makes sense, basically. If you do have questions on this, though, it's okay to reach out. Just I'm okay to clarify if needed. Just let me know. This will be the only example that I will be using in this video as far as the steps go. So please reference this example if needed. All right, and then moving on. Oh, I gotta unblur. 1 moment. All right, so on March 29, 2023, The 381 fell. The past three were 481, 983, and then 682. I'm not going to cover the adding of. I already covered that in the other example. The sum was 227. You take that 227, write it out from right to left, and then fill in the box as already described. And then from that, on the day side that week for the next 7 days, you had 534 fall, 257, 335, 378, and on the night side you had 225. Right, on April 5th, 2023, the number that hit was 660, 378, 800, and 335. 063 was the sum. You're going to write that out as already described, so 6063 there, and then fill out the tic-tac-toe box as already covered. And then unfortunately that week, there was no hits that week from this method, okay? All right, that April 12, 2023, 020 fell. 985 was one of the priors, then 286, and then 871. Sum for that was 952. Write that out and then create your tic-tac-toe box. On the night side for that week, it was only 219 that fell. All right, let me unblur. All right, on April 19, 2023, 304 fell. The priors were 247, 974, 995, and then sum was 300. Write out the 300 and fill out the tic-tac-toe box. The day side was 354, nights was 540 and 309. All right, and then based on what we already covered in the video, so the potential pick 3 numbers to play next 7 days, based on this method, I'll cover in just a bit. The numbers that fell for day side today was 519. The prior 3 was 077, 354, 128. That gave sum 958. You're going to write that out as so. And then the numbers I like potentially on this are, in the next 7 days, are 108, 105, 985, 910, 819, 219, 201, 520, 528, 020, 045, 085, 804, 800, and 041. I know that a couple of these are repeat numbers. I can't recall if it's for this week only they're repeaters or if it's for the entire month of April. But it is what the box is giving me as far as the numbers, so I don't want to go against it, okay? Just keep a couple of these in mind if you like them for the repeat numbers. All right, that is it, everybody. If you do have any questions or comments, Missouri, just let me know.